Unlocking the mystery, given up the ghost, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase that might have puzzled you. Given up the ghost. Stay tuned as we explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves to expand their vocabulary, this video is for you. At its core, given up the ghost is a phrase used to indicate that something has stopped working or ceased to function. Originally, it was used to describe the moment of death for humans, suggesting the soul leaving the body. Over time, its usage has expanded to include the failure of machines or systems, not just the end of life. For example, when your old car finally stops working after years of repair, you might say, "My car has finally given up the ghost." The expression, "given up the ghost," has biblical origins, appearing in several translations of the Bible to describe the moment of death. It's a vivid metaphor that has been part of English vernacular for centuries, illustrating the transition from life to death and, by extension, the cessation of function. Understanding these origins gives us insight into how language evolves, borrowing from religious texts to describe everyday events. In contemporary English, "given up the ghost" is used in a variety of contexts. Beyond its literal application to death, it's commonly applied to technology, appliances, and even relationships or efforts that have ceased to function or be effective. Technology. "My laptop is so old. It's about to give up the ghost." Appliances. "We need a new fridge. This one has given up the ghost." Figurative use. "After months of trying to save the project, we finally gave up the ghost." Understanding the versatility of this phrase will help you enrich your conversations and express ideas more vividly. To incorporate "given up the ghost" into your English, remember it's best used in informal contexts. Here are some tips. Use it to describe situations where something is beyond repair or recovery. It can add a touch of humor or lightness to conversations about failure or endings. Be mindful of the context. Given its origins and connection to death, ensure it's appropriate for your audience. We hope this exploration of "given up the ghost" has demystified this intriguing English phrase for you. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting with history, culture, and each other. Don't be afraid to use what you've learned today in your conversations or writings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!